You are welcome back to this channel. So in today's class, we want to discuss the factors theorem. In the last video, we discussed the remainder theorem. If you use the divisor to divide the dividend, the remaining leftover figure or algebra is what we know as remainder. And the answer gotten after dividing is known as quotient. So what if we did not have any remainder, we did not have any leftover figure or leftover algebra? So let's see what happens. Find the remainder when f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1 is divided by 2x minus 1. So here is the dividend and 2x minus 1 is the divisor. Solution. So let's write the dividend f of x, the polynomial over 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1, and the divisor is 2x minus 1. And in the remainder theorem, I told you that you have to equate your divisor to be equal to 0. So 2x will be equal to 1. So make x the subject of the formula. X will be equal to 1 over 2. It means that wherever you see x, you are going to put 1 over 2. So f of 1 over 2 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 cubed plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 then plus 1. So f of 1 over 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over 8. 1 over 2 cubed is 1 over 8. Then plus 3 multiplied by 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4. Then minus 4 multiplied by 1 over 2 gives minus 2, then plus 1. F of half be equal to 2 here, 1 here, 4. 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4, then minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1. So let's find the LCM. So f of half be equal to, the LCM is 4. 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Plus 4 in 4, 1. 1 times 3 gives 3. Then 1 in 4 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by minus 1 gives minus 4. So f of 1 over 2 will be equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0 over 4, and this gives 0. So, and if you could remember the remainder theorem, you said that if you divide a polynomial by f minus a, then f of a will be your remainder. So here it means that f of 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So if f of a or f of minus a is equal to 0, it means that this divisor is a factor of that polynomial. So it means that, so what conclusion can we draw here is that 2x minus 1 is a factor of f of x, which is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x plus 1. Bingo! So number 2, show that x plus 1 is a factor of f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 6. So write the divisor, which is x plus 1, then equate it to be equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. So wherever you see x, you are going to put minus 1. So 2 multiplied by minus 1 cubed plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 squared minus 5 multiplied by minus 1 minus 6. There's one thing that I want you to note here. If minus 1 is raised to odd, it still gives minus 1. If it is raised to the power of even, then is equal to positive 1. So note that. So f of minus 1 will now be equal to, this one gives minus 1, so multiply it by 2, it gives minus 2. This one gives positive 1, so multiply it by plus 3 gives plus 3. Then minus 5 multiplied by minus 5 gives plus 5, then minus 6. F of minus 1 will now be equal to minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, and 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So we can now say that x plus 1 is a factor of 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 6. Can you see? It's very, very simple. So if you are given any question that you have to show whether one divisor is the factor of the dividend, this is how to go about it. Very simple, very clear.